Video I'll be showing you, yes, I've made a discovery and I want to show you guys how those people on Telegram, the admin, they lie to us and they scam us on making stakes or getting fixed matches and staking them 1,000 cities, 5,000 cities on them. Yes, I want to show you how they do it. It's all scam and lies they tell us. And yes, I've already made a video like this on Android devices, but people were asking me, almost all the time I get questions on how do they do it on iOS devices and on the app. Yes, so how they do it is they run JavaScript. Yes, they run JavaScript on the web page. That's Safari, Chrome, or any other web page they are using. Yes, so this, as you can see on my screen, I'm using, this is my iOS device. Yes, my iPhone, and they run the JavaScript on the web page. So this time I'm running it on Safari. Yes, as you can see, and yeah, they run it on Chrome, any other web page, and it will work for them. This is for educational purpose. As you can see, this is JavaScript app. Yes, I just made this. I didn't know it was possible, but yes, it worked, and I want to show you guys how they do everything. And even if it's on the sportybet app, they have apps they run them on. Yes, so I've already made some stakes. I've made some 1 CD stake. As you can see, it's running. Yes, I want to show you how they edit them on the iOS devices. And myself, like I was shocked when I found out it's possible. So as you can see, I've made 2 correct scores prediction. These are predictions. They do their predictions and they tell us they are fixed matches. I know they won't be happy. Most of them won't be happy me exposing this, and I just want to show you guys. Yes, so let me do the edit and see. So yeah, so as you can see, run Java. If after what I did in my shortcut and I ran the JavaScript on the web page, this section, the last section, will appear anytime I'm on my web page. Yes, so as you can see, yes, I can edit anything on this screen. Yes, I can edit as you can see. Yeah, so they just push it here, and maybe let me make it 1,000 cities. Yes, so this is what they do then. Yeah, also they come here, so they make it 44,000. So maybe probably something like this, and maybe let me add something to the bonus. Yes, so yes, so as you can see, I've just done what they always do. So they do like this, and they take the screenshot and they post in their Telegram channels and tell us this is a fixed match. So as you can see, yes, so I've answered, I hope I've answered most of your questions. Those of you who always ask me, is it possible to do it on an iPhone or iOS device? Yes, it's possible. And even on the app, they run it on the apps. Yes, so I think this will help you guys a lot. And after this game, like they take the screenshot of this and they can just make a cash out. Yes, so after this, they make a cash out and they will get the trophy and everything, then they edit over there. So as you can see, this is basically, I just want to show you guys how they do it, and I hope this helps you a lot and shows you that you can't trust everything you see on the internet, and the internet is very, very dangerous. And yeah, so no one, as I always say, no one has fixed man. They are all predictions. If you are good, if you are lucky, you might win on them. If you are not, yes, just know that it's predictions you are purchasing, not a fixed man. So anything can happen. Hope this video helps you. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also join the Telegram channel. I'll be dropping more games in the Telegram channel, predictions, and you know how we do it. See you in my next video. Bye.